Welcome back to Data Engineering with Avaneeth. In the last video, we explored how to filter rows in BigQuery using the where clause and the limit clause. Now, let's move on and learn how to sort data using the order by clause. For this example, let's use our project_id sales data orders table, which has some sample order data, order ID, customer ID, order date, and total amount. Suppose we want to arrange the orders by their order date, starting from the oldest to the newest. The query looks like this. Select from project_id sales data orders order by order date ASC. Here, ASC stands for ascending order, and it's also the default if you don't specify anything. So the result will start with ORD001 on January 15, 2025, and go all the way to ORD010 on January 24, 2025. But if we want to see the latest orders first, in other words, descending order, we can change it to select from project_id sales data orders order by order date DESC. Now, ORD010 from January 24th will come at the top, and the oldest order will appear at the bottom. We can also sort by the total amount. For example, if we want to see which orders had the highest amounts, the query is select from project_id sales data orders order by total amount DESC. This will show us ORD004 with 999.99 and ORD009 with 875.10 right at the top. And of course, we can combine multiple columns. If we want to sort by customer ID alphabetically, and then within each customer by order date, we write select from project_id sales data orders order by customer ID ASC order date DESC. This gives us a well-organized view of customer orders. Sorting makes it super easy to identify top values, recent entries, or even just present data in a neat way. That's how simple and powerful the order by clause is in BigQuery. So, to summarize, sorting in BigQuery is done using the order by clause. You can sort your results in ascending or descending order, and even sort by multiple columns. Remember that sorting is powerful when analyzing data, but it can also increase query cost and processing time, so use it wisely. Thanks for watching Data Engineering with Avaneeth. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.